Take a ride in the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.